Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to cover a very small topic, but I think it is pretty important in terms of understanding price action and also the way the price moves. So, as I told you, as I've mentioned this multiple times, I only trade Grasim. This is the only stock that I trade, and just giving an update for the gap of the videos that have been not posted. I have been trading okay, pretty okayish, closing this month little bit okay, okayly profitable, not that much. But anyways, whatever the point that I wanted to cover was, see when you see or when you try understanding price action, you will see that the direction of the market over here is clearly pushing bearish, right? Basics of price action. First, understanding where the direction is. Is it going down or is it up? Basic understanding. So you can see that the price is clearly pushing down. And here, what did we see? Here we saw that the price is clearly not able to sustain, and it is again price is continuing to fall bearish. So, so my ideology, perspective यहाँ पे ये था कि since I understood that the direction of the market is bearish, since I also understand that price is continuing to fall bearish. Now, what happened at this point of time? What happened at this point in time here is कि we saw slight bullish were stepping in the market, and this is when 23rd of December, yesterday. I saw price was slightly pushing bullish. Now I have clearly written over here is कि price is falling bearish, right? Now मेरा ये perspective दिमाग में आ रहा था कि okay, now price is pushing bullish, right? And after that, I was clearly very aware of it. Ki, it is pushing bullish. So I'm not sure do we have a trade today or not, because it is completely opposite to what I've written. I've written prices falling bearish. Now it is pushing bullish. So it is completely opposite to what is happening in the market. So I was like, okay, I have nothing to do as of now. Market clearly has a different perspective or a different directional bias. बोल के मैं छोड़ दिया. तो उसके बाद you can see that we have back-to-back selling that stepped in when at somewhere around 11:30. Back-to-back selling, though candle. If I'll show you like this, I think it will be better. Sorry, I don't have a premium version of it as of now. So, yeah, this is price falling bearish, right? So this is when I saw there was back-to-back selling that was stepping in. Then I was like, okay, price is falling bearish. That is something I already know. Market was continuing to push bullish, so that is not something that we were not meant to touch, because it was completely opposite in terms of ideology. When I saw the third candle again there was back-to-back selling stepping in. So somewhere the ideology or the perspective started matching is what I felt. Okay, I direction of the market is bearish. Price was falling bearish, and also today also we are seeing a good amount of selling that is happening at this point in time. Again back to back. Then I second thing was, do we have enough range to sell this? Let's say if I want to sell this, I was the next thing that was coming in my mind कि हाँ यहाँ तक का range तो easily available है अगर selling है, and if the market wants to keep falling bearish, because I've written yeah price is falling bearish, then I have enough range that the market can also cover if I sell over here. Now what made me not take this trade is pretty interesting. Now, even if when I saw this selling that was happening back to back, now why do you think I have not entered this trade? If you think you have an idea of it, you can pause the video and write a comment below. I would love to answer why do you think I might have not entered this trade? Now I'll tell you what the actual reason is. Even though there was back to back selling that was happening, right? And even though it was clearly matching my ideology, keep price is falling bearish, overall direction is bearish, so you can sell. Even though both of that was clearly happening, you have to identify a little bit in terms of directional bias of what is happening in the market, not just selling it. Meaning that यहाँ पे we have price pushing bullish and price is pushing bearish. Now in a very layman terms or in a very basic अगर terms में बात किया जाए, when you say price is pushing bullish and price is pushing bearish, उसका मतलब होता है there is no directional bias in the market. If price is pushing bearish, sorry, if price is pushing bullish and price is continuing to push bullish, then that is something, then that is when you can tell, there is a directional bias ki direction of the market is clearly bullish, क्योंकि it is continuing to do what it wants to do. पर यहाँ पे you can clearly see कि price has pushed bullish and now it is pushing bearish. मतलब clearly price is in a range, there is no directional bias at all. एंड उसका इसका दिस हैपेंड बिफोर, देन उसका हमने को एविडेंस यहाँ पे भी दिख गया, इवन हियर यू कैन सी देयर इज नो डायरेक्शन बायस, मार्केट इज क्लियरली मूविंग साइडवेज. सो ये आइडेंटिफाइंग दिस वाज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर मी, दैट वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि आई वाज रेडी टू टेक सेल्स, I was ready to take sales, considering that price is falling bearish. There is enough range back to previous structure low. तो यहाँ पे सेल करो और यहाँ का टारगेट ले लो, क्योंकि वो डायरेक्शन तो बेरिश ही है. बट नो, current behavior or current perspective of the market, current directional bias of the market was sideways based on how it was behaving. So this is called price action and behavior is what I trade, a mix of both. Now, since I've identified that behavior ki price is moving sideways, there is no point of selling. I was literally about to enter at this point as well, क्योंकि मेरे को यहाँ तक भी continuation के से ही लग रहा था ये, कि if I sell this, obviously मेरे को इतना अच्छा continuation मिल रहा है, फिर से back to back एक और candle भी bearish close हो गया है. I thought कि चलो, I think that is continuing, but no, the behavior is also pretty important. एंड उसका एविडेंस अपने को यहाँ पे भी मिला है कि मार्केट ने कैसा दिखाया है कि आज भी साइडवेज ही बिहेव करेगा. बट आज का पता नहीं है, टुडे इज 24th. So I'm just seeing, because I've written कि there is bullish depletion, meaning that buyers are not that strong as of now. Don't know how the market wants to validate it as of now, or कैसा, what is the perspective of the market today. So we'll wait patiently to see if there is anything. And main thing है कि the tipping point कि I think this is, I have lost this trade was, sorry, I have lost this trade, and also I felt like this trade is definitely playing, this price is definitely playing with me, was when I saw this candle. This candle, this candle first completely started pushing bearish ऐसा नीचे. Then I thought कि okay, this was a very right trade. This was definitely continuation which I should have entered, and I missed this trade. वो मेरा feeling था when this candle started pushing bearish first. Then when it flipped and this bullish close हुआ, then I understood. Then I understood कि this was completely sideways. Dekha, see how the market wants to play with you. It gave you an evidence of continuation. It flipped right where you wanted to enter, and it made you believe that. It also made me believe that I was wrong, and also it also made me show that I was also right. So that is how confusing sometimes market gets. So आप लोग को ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि what are your beliefs? What do you truly believe? In terms of price action and behavior, आपको truly क्या लगता है? Is this that, or is it a bullish, or is it bearish? जो भी, whatever you believe, you have to stick to it and you have to stay strong with it, irrespective of it plays out in the market or does not play out. You have to keep doing it at least 1,000 or 10,000 times. After doing 10,000 times, it will be easy for you कि this is what is happening, and that is what exactly the market will do. Now even I had self doubt, मतलब I'm still lacking practice. I'm still lacking little bit of confidence. Not confidence, I would say, still lacking in terms of my beliefs, because I was थोड़ा vacation के बाद आया था मैं. So see, after taking vacation also, sometimes you'll have to face this. So anyways, working on your beliefs, working on what you believe in is very important. I believe that this was a directional bias, but again, that was not 100%. Again, I have to check, go back and think why I was not 100% in identifying that this was not sideways, and then work on it. So this is how the whole mental perspective of my trading looks like. You can share yours as well. I would definitely love to hear your side of the story as well. And yeah, that's it. I would say thank you for watching this video. Yeah, thank you for watching this video and take care. Bye.